Here's the shocking truth fitness influencers don't want you to hear. You've been wasting hours at the gym for absolutely nothing. While millions of people are grinding through exhausting cardio sessions and endless crunches, breakthrough research has uncovered a fat-burning method so simple it almost sounds too good to be true. But here's where it gets controversial. This technique requires you to do the exact opposite of what every fitness guru has been preaching. Forget everything you think you know about belly fat loss. A groundbreaking study from Australia's Edith Cowan University has completely flipped the script on traditional exercise wisdom, and the results published in the European Journal of Applied Physiology are making waves throughout the fitness community. The revolutionary discovery, something called eccentric exercise, and it's destroying conventional workout methods when it comes to melting away stubborn belly fat, supercharging your metabolism, and boosting heart health. The most mind-blowing part? You only need 5 minutes daily to see measurable results. But wait, before you roll your eyes, thinking this is another fitness fad, let me explain why this method is causing such a stir among researchers, and why some traditional trainers are pushing back against these findings. The game-changing secret lies in something most people completely ignore during their workouts. Instead of obsessing over the up phase of movements, like pushing yourself up from a chair or lifting weights, eccentric exercise focuses entirely on the down phase. Picture this. When you're about to sit in a chair, instead of just dropping down, you control the descent with deliberate, slow precision. Your muscles are lengthening while fighting gravity, creating tension in a completely different way. And this is the part most people miss. This controlled lengthening phase triggers significantly more fat burning and muscle strengthening than traditional cardio or those dreaded abdominal crunches you've been torturing yourself with. The Australian researchers discovered that participants who incorporated these slow, controlled movements into their daily routine experienced dramatically better results in belly fat reduction compared to those following conventional exercise programs. But here's what's really fascinating. They also saw improvements in blood pressure and overall body strength, benefits that took much longer to achieve through traditional methods. Now, I know what you're thinking. 5 minutes sounds almost insulting when you've been told you need hour-long gym sessions to see real results. But here's where the science gets really interesting, and where some fitness professionals start getting uncomfortable with the implications. This isn't just one isolated study making bold claims. The Journal of Sports Science Medicine has also documented the remarkable benefits of eccentric movements, particularly eccentric walking. Think controlled downhill walking or deliberately slow stair descents. The research showed not only accelerated weight loss, but also enhanced cardiovascular health markers that rivaled much more intensive training programs. Professor Kazunori Nosaka, one of the leading researchers in this field, made a statement that's bound to ruffle some feathers in the fitness industry. Even complete beginners with zero workout experience can tap into these benefits. Why? Because eccentric exercises work by triggering metabolic responses in short, controlled bursts, essentially hijacking your body's natural calorie-burning mechanisms without the need for grueling workouts or expensive equipment. But here's where it gets controversial. If this method is so effective and accessible, why isn't every trainer and fitness influencer talking about it? Some critics argue that simple solutions don't sell gym memberships or expensive training programs. Others question whether people will actually stick to something that seems too easy compared to the no pain, no gain mentality that dominates fitness culture. Let me break down exactly how you can integrate this into your life. Because the beauty of eccentric exercise lies in its simplicity and stealth integration into everyday activities. Controlled chair descents represent the perfect starting point. Instead of carelessly plopping into your seat, transform this mundane action into a fat-burning opportunity. Take 4 to 5 seconds to lower yourself down, feeling your leg muscles work against gravity with deliberate control. Do this 10 times. And you've just completed a significant portion of your daily eccentric workout. Stair navigation becomes another powerful tool. Rather than rushing down stairs, treat each step as a controlled descent. Focus on the muscle engagement as you lower yourself from step to step, maintaining balance and tension throughout the movement. Wall slides offer an incredibly accessible option for anyone, regardless of fitness level. Simply lean your back against a wall and slowly slide down into a partial squat position. Then return to standing at normal speed. The magic happens during that controlled downward movement. The research consistently shows that performing just 10 repetitions of one or two of these movements daily delivers the promised 5-minute commitment. That's literally less time than it takes to scroll through social media posts about fitness motivation. Here's what makes this approach even more compelling and potentially controversial among fitness traditionalists. Studies demonstrate that small, consistent routines create significantly better adherence rates than ambitious workout plans that people abandon within weeks. This method sidesteps the common pitfall of overwhelming yourself with unrealistic fitness commitments. Over time, you're not just targeting belly fat reduction, you're simultaneously boosting energy levels, maintaining steady and sustainable weight loss, and improving cardiovascular health, all without the intimidation factor of gym environments or the expense of specialized equipment. This challenges everything we've been told about earning our results through suffering and extreme effort. Some people find this concept liberating, while others struggle with the idea that effective fitness can be this accessible and gentle. The sustainability factor cannot be overstated. While intense workout programs often lead to burnout and injury, eccentric exercise offers a realistic approach that grows with you rather than against you. You can perform these movements anywhere, your office, home, even while traveling, making consistency achievable rather than aspirational. So here's my challenge to you, and I'm genuinely curious about your thoughts. Tomorrow, set a timer for exactly 5 minutes. Find a chair and focus entirely on controlling your descent as you sit down. Pay attention to how your muscles feel during that controlled movement. Repeat this 10 times. Does this sound too simple to be effective? Are you skeptical that 5 minutes could compete with hours of traditional exercise? Or does this approach resonate with you as a more sustainable path to better health? I'd love to hear your perspective. Are you ready to challenge conventional fitness wisdom? Or do you believe that real results can only come through intense, time-consuming workouts? Share your thoughts and let's start a conversation about whether the fitness industry has been overcomplicating what should be simple and accessible to everyone.